Please note that the creator is not responsible for any misuse of the veiled SAME headers.
This is an emergency update. We have gotten reports from the United States government, along with the National Weather Service, that a hypercane formed in the North Pacific Ocean. In addition, it is also getting worse and by a cold front moving from Alaska. This hypercane's name is Olivia.
A civil authority has issued a civil emergency message for the following counties: the United States. Effective until further notice. There have been reports of the moon duplicating. It's unknown why is this happening, but it caused the formation of a hypercane named Olivia. Stay tuned for more updates on this anomalous situation.
Message is transmitted at the request of the National Weather Service offices in Honolulu, Hawaii. A Category 14 hypercane, named Olivia, is expected to make landfall in Hawaii within the next 5 minutes. This warning is effective immediately and is effective until ended by emergency action termination alert. This storm is getting worse than to by a cold front moving in from Alaska. As a result, all temperatures in Hawaii are decreasing to 30 degrees Fahrenheit. To repeat, a Category 14 hypercane, named Olivia, is expected to hit Hawaii within the next 5 minutes. This warning is effective immediately and is effective until ended by emergency action termination alert. This storm is getting worse than to by a cold front moving in from Alaska. As a result, all temperatures in Hawaii are decreasing to 30 degrees Fahrenheit. To all citizens of the United States and the world, do not look up. At approximately 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, many people have gotten into a homicidal rage after looking at what appears to be a meteorological event that is occurring. This is a serious situation. I repeat,
this is a serious situation.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. False alarm. There is no actual emergency. Look up now.